For section 11, the last part of the stroke scale, we're checking extinction and inattention, which was formerly called neglect. This one can be challenging to do in a patient that has some deficits. But first we'll show no abnormality. Most of the time when you've been doing your stroke scale, you've already picked up on whether this patient has inattention or extinction, and we could go ahead and score her without doing anything further. But we'll go ahead and test her with the double simultaneous stimulation to show that she is normal. Okay, I'm going to put my hands up, and when you see that, I want you to raise your arm on the same side, or if I raise up both arms, raise up both your arms, okay? Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, except I'm going to have you close your eyes, and I'm going to touch your leg, one side and then the other, and then both sides together, and raise the arm on the same side, okay, or both. Okay, very good, thank you. So we just demonstrated no abnormality, or a 0. Now we're going to demonstrate a partial, which is a 1. Okay, Sandy, I'm going to put my hands up in your peripheral vision, and I want you to raise your arm on the side that you can see, either one or both. Okay? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'm going to have you close your eyes, and when you feel me touch your legs, raise your arm or arms up on the side that you can feel it. Okay, ready? Okay, so that would be a 1. So she had one deficit, a visual deficit on the left. We'd score that as a 1. Now to demonstrate a 2, that means there's 2 deficits, okay? Either from visual, tactile, the different fields that we're assessing. All right, so we're going to do the same thing again. So just look at me again, and when I raise up my arms, raise up the side of your arm that you can see that. Okay, now I'm going to have you close your eyes, and when you feel me touch your legs, you were already responding. I was touching you early. When I touch your legs, raise up your arm on the side or the sides where you can feel me touching you. Okay, so we demonstrate a 2. So we had a deficit in the visual field and the tactile field, and we would count that as a 2. All right, and so that is the end of the number 11.